My name is Denis, I'm a physiotherapist, and today we're going to do some core exercises for everyone. These exercises are not exclusive to athletes, so remember, no exercise should be painful. If it's the case, please don't do them. Now we're going to do the exercises together step by step. Okay, so working on your core muscles is not restricted to athletes, and that's what we're going to do today. So you're going to take the plank position. You can use the modified position also if it's easier for you. Be sure to keep your head, your hip, and your shoulders well aligned. And you're going to pull your belly in while you're keeping the position. One mistake we do often is to stop breathing. So you have to keep breathing from beginning to end. And we're going to continue for about 60 seconds, and you can take a break anytime you want. The next exercise is a little bit different. You're going to stand on all fours and you're going to lift up your knees and hold that position for a few seconds. Be sure not to move your lower back and to pull your belly in. Breathe normally, breathe deeply. And after a few seconds, you're going to go down, take a break, and take that position again. To make it a little bit more difficult, you could turn your head to your right and to your left, being sure that you keep breathing deeply and pulling your belly in. Okay, the next exercise is a lateral plank, which is not so easy for some people. You could keep your hand on the floor, or you could add a movement, so it's going to be a dynamic lateral plank, bringing your elbow to your knee. Some of my patients, they put a few pillows underneath their trunk, so they hold their body with the pillow, so it's more easy. And when you'll get more strength, you could do it without a pillow. And remember, if it's too difficult, you could keep your hand on the floor instead of bringing your elbow to your knee. Now let's take a break for a few seconds. And we'll do it on the other side. This time, it's a static plank, so you're not moving and you're going to keep your hand on the floor, or if you can, if you feel strong enough, you could put your hand on your trunk, on your leg, and it's going to be, of course, a little bit more difficult. Let's do it on the other side. So it's exactly the same thing. You're going to lift up, keep that position without or with a hand on the floor. And if it's too difficult, you could add a pillow underneath your trunk, so it's going to help you to maintain that position. And we're going to take a break for a few seconds. The next exercise, you'll be doing it on all fours. And you're going to bring your elbow to the opposite knee, doing this on your right side, and after that on your left side. We're going to do this for about 60 seconds. Be sure to breathe normally when you're doing this exercise. You could do it also eyes closed. That would be a little bit more difficult. And you could also turn your head to your right and to your left. It's going to be even more difficult. You have to work on your core muscles as many ways as you can. We'll do the next exercise lying on your stomach. It's going to be a back extension, so you're going to lift up your back. Your hands should not touch the floor. And some people have lots of mobility in that movement, and some people don't have a lot of mobility. So try to adapt the exercise to your own physical condition, to your own mobility. And if you can, you could lift up your legs at the same time. Remember, no exercise should be painful. If it is, don't do it and see a physiotherapist. I'm going to do this for about 50 seconds. So the next exercise is a good exercise to work on your core muscles on all fours. You're going to bring your elbow to the opposite knee, and after that you're going to extend your arm and your leg. Now we're going to switch side and we're going to do exactly the same thing. Be sure to breathe normally while you're doing the exercise. If you want to make it more difficult, you could close your eyes, or you could turn your head to your right and then to your left. Now let's take a break for a few seconds, and the next exercise will work on your breathing muscles. We always forget these muscles, but they work also on your core stability. They are very important. Now we're going to put your hands on your stomach, and you're going to do some abdominal breathing. Be sure to feel the movement with your hand, breathing in, breathing out. And you're going to try to amplify that movement. If you don't feel the movement, don't worry. Maybe tomorrow you'll feel it a little bit better. Try to breathe deeply and slowly and feel that movement in your hands. Remember that the movement should come from your stomach, not from your rib cage. I really hope you feel better. If you liked my video, please give it a thumbs up. Write me a comment, share it on your social media, and ask me your question. I will answer them in new videos. So take care of yourself and see you soon.